And the state Supreme Court rules on a case that shocked New Mexico. Good evening. The case against former UNM President Chris Garcia took a big hit today.
The state Supreme Court ruled that a website cannot be considered a brothel under an outdated state law. Now Garcia may get off scot-free. News 13's Alex Goldsmith is live in Santa Fe with the story.
Jessica, Dick, the prostitution law that the state Supreme Court was looking at today hadn't been updated since 1981, back in a time when lawmakers couldn't have even imagined the World Wide Web.
The internet does not exist in our imagination.
Can a website be a brothel? That was one of the key questions before the state Supreme Court today. 2 years ago, former UNM President Chris Garcia was arrested, accused by police of being one of the leaders of a nonprofit online prostitution forum, Southwest Companions. Investigators say Garcia helped the site scout for new girls. But when the DA tried to indict Garcia for promoting prostitution, District Court Judge Stan Whitaker ruled that under state law, a website could not be considered a house of prostitution. Today, both sides argued before the state's highest court.
The state chose to up the ante on a statute that was clearly inapplicable.
Prosecutors argued websites do have physical locations.
It's kept on a server, it's kept on a hard drive, and that hard drive is a place.
But in a 4-1 ruling, the state Supreme Court said the judge's decision was spot on.
Judge Whitaker's ruling remains in effect.
Garcia's attorney says his client was vindicated.
All I know is I have a very happy client who was tormented for a long time, unnecessarily, who was factually innocent.
The DA's office now has to regroup.
Wouldn't say dead in the water. We have to reevaluate and decide what we're going to do. There may be charges we can bring on another avenue, or we may decide not to do that.
It's unclear what options the DA has at this point. The lesser charge of patronizing a prostitute, well, that charge, the statute of limitations on that has already expired. Garcia was originally charged with tampering with evidence and conspiracy, but because of the court's ruling today, the crime he was charged with conspiring on or trying to hide evidence of isn't actually a crime in the state of New Mexico. Back to you.
Okay, Alex, State Representative Tim Lewis has introduced a bill that would make using a website or forum to promote prostitution a felony in New Mexico. That bill is now at the committee level.